Hi there, my name's Sadia and welcome to Recipes for Littlies.
Sadia has lost her voice but was really keen to get this amazing gluten-free Bircher muesli to you. Please show Sadia some love by liking this video or leaving her a comment. My name is Jessie. I make gluten-free delights. You can check out my channel in the description box below. This Bircher muesli is gluten-free as it is made with quinoa flakes, sweetened with grated apples and a touch of maple syrup. So this is how you make it. These are the ingredients you'll need. As always, the exact quantities are listed in the description box below. This can be served cold, straight from the fridge, or you can add a dollop of Greek yogurt. You can even have this warm by heating it in the microwave for a minute or two. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you give this recipe a go. If you'd like to see more gluten-free recipes, let Sadia know by liking this video or leaving a comment below. Until next time, keep cooking!